Okay, just take a look here. You can see how weak the New Zealand is. The Euro New Zealand is up 105. The Pound New Zealand is up 87. So oh no, did we do the Pound CAD? No, we didn't do that. So let's do the Pound CAD, because you can see the move that we had in the Pound CAD from Friday. The structure point was 157.14. The buying point was 156.80, and we closed at 157.60. So that is very good, and you can plan your trade right by looking at this. If you're just 20-30 pips off your structure point, so this now becomes your selling point. So let's look at the Pound CAD. Thank you. This is pretty much like what we have in the dollar, but again you can see that the Pound CAD is pretty much moving like the dollar, so it's been doing the same bottoming formation with the Pound CAD like it was doing with the Pound dollar for quite some time. And right now what we do have is pretty much a similar pattern that we had in the other ones, but which is this kind of square. If you want to look at it, pretty much a lot of inside days, and we close above the 2 and 3 day high and 4 day high. This high is 57.67, and this one is 57.93, and the high is 57.72. This one is 57.79. So you can see that around the 157.80 area, if I use the 157.80 as a buy area, just on average, not a structure point, that would be a pretty decent move. I mean, this thing should clear us above all these highs. So it's pretty much up there, right there. So we will buy the Pound CAD above 157.80, and we have a structure point at 158.40, and if I buy it here, my stop is going to be below the 2 daily high, which is 157.32. so I'm risking about 30 pips on that trade. On the short side, I have a structure point which is 157.14, so this is going to be our short point, our structural short point, and our stop. Okay, that is the Pound CAD. We're buying it above 157.80. We're having a structure point. Structure point at 158.40, and our stop is going to be the 157.32. On the short side, we're going to go short below the structure point, which is the 157.14. Alright, let me save that, and let's